How to disable DMs from strangers on Discord. Tired of random messages from people you don't even know? Today I will show you how to turn off direct messages from strangers on Discord, so only your trusted friends can contact you. Let's lock it down. First things first, open Discord. Fire up the Discord app or head over to discord.com and log in. Now open user settings. Look in the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a little gear icon next to your username. Click that to open user settings. Scroll down to the section that says content and control. Here you will see several options. From direct message spam, either select filter all or filter from non-friends or do not filter. On the option that says direct message from others, you can either show, blog or block. Now, no strangers can DM you automatically. And that's how you block random DMs on Discord like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.